So we're spending a few days camping in Coachella at a location that's just south of Joshua Tree National Park. We have to the southeast of us, the Salton Sea, to the west of us, Palm Springs. So we're in a place that we can get to all these different places, and we're staying at Coachella Lakes RV Resort, and we're gonna go take a look around the campground.
This is the check-in place.
Hey, good morning. So we learned that Coachella Lakes RV Resort just opened September 2023.
Yeah, very new. Yeah, you can tell. They're still building, and it's very super clean, new buildings and facilities.
Nice to have that new feel.
Yeah. So here at Coachella RV Resort, they actually have pickleball, which I see many people out there during the day. So, and at night too, because it's lit up, having a great time out there playing pickleball. We're gonna go over to the Clubhouse at the resort, and they have, I think they have a couple of hot tubs. They have a swimming pool. They have a game room. And they have music going most of the time. Nice pool. This is the club area. So you come and relax. Pretty nice. You can come and work on computer area there.
Can this be on the side?
Yeah, right here.
Okay.
Beautiful table. Very nice. And then some kind of kitchen areas. And I don't know what these are for.
Well, it says food coming soon, drinks coming soon.
Oh, okay.
So this is probably part of it does look very brand new.
Yeah. Very, it is brand new. Now over here is more bathrooms, and then they have a game room. We're here with some okay. Have football.
Wait a minute! You can't be blue, gray, and black.
I cheated. Anywhere in here.
So you're gonna have a conference in here?
A conference where you can use the adult watching the children. Yay!
There you
Thank
go.
you. Oh, heated. Nice and heated.
Yeah?
Yeah. Look at this. Okay, we're coming here.
And a hot tub?
Hot tub. It's nice they have, it's probably code that way, but they have these handicap chairs for people that
Oh.
need help entering in. That's cool. They have it for the pool too. Yeah, ping pong over there. Very nice. And they also have a fitness center. Very cool. Rowers, bikes, treadmills, your smart balls, your weighted balls. These are cool. Yeah, boy. Perfect.
We have the laundry room. We're gonna go check that out. I've been here quite a bit. It's where it's where they have the showers.
Fantastic laundry room. Oh, again, brand new. Washers, dryers. Even having reading material when you're waiting for your laundry. And here is the bathroom. Very big, spacious, and a nice shower with a disability chair in the shower, so very nice. site's super spacious. There is quite a number of pull-through sites.
Yeah, and the pull-through sites, they're long enough where you can get a really long rig in, and you could park in front or in your back, your car. You don't necessarily have to put it off to the side, so they're really long. Most of them, yeah.
And this RV park also is pet friendly. There's lots of dogs. So all throughout the area, there's dog waste stations where they leave baggies for you, and they even let your little pup have some grass so they can do their thing.
Kind of grass.
It's artificial grass.
Yeah.
They also have several cabins that you can rent out. They're all occupied, so we can't go up to any of them, but they look pretty spacious.
Yeah, so you can stay here even if you don't have an RV. And one of the things that I think people don't often think about is when you're coming to a place like this to stay, you know, people I think usually look for hotels, motels, but oftentimes at these RV resorts, you can get a nice cabin, and it might even cost you less than a hotel, and you may have a better experience. Quieter, cleaner, more facilities, like a little home.
Yeah,
kitchen, etc.
Yeah, right. So here at the RV resort, they actually have lakes. They're man-made lakes, but the birds have already found it, and they're enjoying their life here, and there's people fishing and just enjoying the water.
You've got a whole bunch of back-end sites. When we're here right now, they're empty, and it kind of looks like they're still in this area working on them, so
yeah.
Maybe they're still being finalized with their hookups.
Yeah, I think they need to finish something off here before they open it up. But they obviously are pretty new, and there's construction people here almost daily, today's Sunday, but working on the sites. Yeah,
super clean resort, really nice. Yeah.
The sites are very level. We didn't even have to worry about it when we pulled in. There's a dog run over there, a fenced-in area for the dogs to just play. And then there's some kind of, you're trying to get it to this black and white pylon, or not pylon, but this stick out coming out.
And you've got propane filling available here too, which is always convenient to have when you're at the campground and if you're running low. And now, time to relax at the campground, huh?
Today's the day. We're relaxing. It's Sunday.
Yeah, we've been here since Wednesday, and we kind of have been here just to sleep.
Yeah.
So today's our day to relax here and do the camping thing.
Yeah.
All right, what do we got tonight for dinner?
New Year's Eve. So we have nachos, kind of our style. But I had to do it on top of the stovetop, so it's a little interesting. A little burny smell. I'm surprised the alarm didn't go off.
Oh yeah, huh? Yeah. Here we go.
Oh, we need forks.